Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix cannot connect to App Store error on iPhone or iPad. Whether you are looking for new trendy apps or plan to update an existing app, the App Store is where to go. However, you can't access apps if you see an error message can't connect to App Store on your iPhone or iPad. But don't worry, in this video I'll tell you how can you fix this problem. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is toggle airplane mode on or off. Airplane mode is another magic pill that resolves many connectivity and network issues your iPhone or iPad may have. You must have access the control center to do this. On a device with Face ID, swipe down from the upper right corner of your screen and then tap on the airplane icon and wait for some seconds and then tap on it again to disable it, and you are done. And the next step is check your internet connection. There is no brainer, but be sure that the check your internet connection connectivity is working. Connecting to the App Store requires an internet connection, either also Wi-Fi, cellular data or via hotspot. You can check by simply launching Safari and checking if you can browse the net. If you are connected to Wi-Fi, ensure that it's enabled, stable and configured properly. The same is true for the data and hotspot connections. You can also reconnect your iPhone or iPad to your Wi-Fi network to fix possible network connection issues. For this, go to Settings and then tap on Wi-Fi and then tap on the eye icon next to your Wi-Fi network. Next, tap on Forget this network and then tap on Forget again to confirm and then reconnect it back. And also you should check DNS settings. Scroll down, then tap on Manual. From here you can tap on Add Server. Delete the previous DNS server by pressing the minus button and you can add the new server. Then input this and then go back to App Store and see if this solves the issue, and you are done. And the next step is force quit and relaunch the App Store. To force quit the app, open the app switcher and swipe up the App Store card. And the next step is update to the latest iOS or iPadOS. For this, go to Settings, scroll down and then tap on General and then tap on Software Update. See if there is any update available, then download and install the latest version, and you are done. And the next step is sign out from App Store. For this, go to Settings and then tap on your profile name at the top and then tap on Media and Purchases and then tap on Sign Out and then sign in again, and you are done. And the next step is turn on location services. To do this, go to Settings, scroll down and then tap on Privacy and Security and then tap on Location Services at the top, then tap on its toggle button to turn it on, and you are done. And the next step is turn off VPN. It may prevent the App Store from loading. To turn it off, go to Settings and then tap on VPN and then tap on its toggle button to turn it off, and you are done. And the next step is reset network settings. This method only erases your Wi-Fi and cellular network settings but don't delete any of your data. For this, go to Settings, scroll down and then tap on General, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on Transfer Reset iPhone and then tap on Reset and then tap on Reset Network Settings. It might ask you to enter your passcode, so enter your passcode and follow the on-screen instruction to reset network settings on your iPhone, and you are done. I hope this solution will fix your issue of cannot connect to App Store error on iPhone or iPad, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.